Hey there, guys. Today, what we're going to be talking about is Ajax Powder Cleaner with bleach. Okay. Now, Ajax is a cleaner that you would use to clean, say, your toilets, sinks, your bathtubs, things like that, things that can build up harsh grime, soap scum, and things like that. It's really, really important to have a cleaner for those areas. Bleach in it is very necessary to disinfect and sanitize those areas, in my opinion, because that's where all the grime and everything comes off your body, and and can linger and just cause mold and just fungus and things like that. So it's really good to have a really strong cleaner with bleach in it. Clean those areas. How Ajax the powder works is a kind of like, it's like a scrub, right? It looks like this. This is the consistency. It's like a powder. It's not like gritty like sand, but you can feel it's very fine powder. Yeah. So what you would do is you would say, if you were cleaning your bathtub, you would put this down and then saturate your bathtub with water, and make sure the drain's closed. Actually, you'd wet the whole thing, then put this down, put it all over, and then take a sponge or a rag or something like that and work it in, all into all those greasy rings and everything all around your tub or sink. Watch the grime and grit come off. It really works. It's like using kind of like a sandpaper on your cleaning, daily duties. So yeah, but like this says, and it's very true, it's scratch free. So you're not going to scratch up your surfaces because you're using this. It's not like you're scrubbing down your countertops, your sinks and everything with sand. It's much finer than that, and you will not scratch anything. It really, really gets deep down into all that grime, the corners and everything. Works very well. I get the best results from using this with a scrub brush, not a Brillo pad, but one of those green pads you would use to wash your dishes. Yeah, because that they are also abrasive, and coupled with the Ajax, it's just like a double whammy on your dirt and grime. It really, really works well. Yeah, I've been using this for a while. I did use a different brand a while back ago when I first got my first apartment when I was young. For many years now, I switched to this one. One, because Ajax is not expensive at all. It's really, really economical, and it's a name brand that's been out there for a long time, and it works really, really well. And after you finish scrubbing and cleaning and getting all that grease and grime out of your sink or your tub or wherever you're cleaning, it rinses away really easy. It's not going to leave residue of itself behind it. Just with water, it rinses right out. Leaves everything smelling very clean and refreshed, and you'll get a nice shine out of that bowl, out of that toilet bowl. It's just really good. I like it a lot, and I've used it for a long time now. Everybody should. This is a toxic, so as far as you don't want to get it in your mouth, especially don't get it in your eyes. It will burn very badly. Keep it out of reach of children and all that stuff. It's not a good thing. Also, with this, I would use gloves when using it, like some regular, household cleaning gloves to protect your hands and stuff, because you don't want to get the bleach and everything on your skin and all that, and dries it out and all that. Okay, well, that is Ajax Powder Cleaner with bleach. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.